Had to use super glue to fix this part. Like I said, this thing takes really long to dry, and I have to hold on to it like this the entire time. So it might be a while before I get my vlog up and running. And fixed. Video blogging nowhere. Video blogging nowhere.
Vlogging every day in April.
Where am I going? Nobody knows, 'cause I'm video blogging nowhere. People all over the country have stressed about this day for many months. Now that it's here, it's a relief for them to finally get the weight off their shoulders. But also, people feel bad that they give so much away and see little recognition of it. Of course, I'm talking about classical musicians and YouTube Symphony Orchestra. Yeah! They're performing today on Carnegie Hall. If you're watching it on YouTube, it's up in that little corner. Or possibly the link over there. If you're not watching this on YouTube, where the hell did you get this? Oh,
Shirt.
Taxes are due today. I should probably get on that. I'm just kidding, I don't have any money.